Hi everybody, welcome back. So the Frankenstein continues. I soldered on some adapter wires there. Five of them are control and five of them are output, and they're going over to the Arduino over there instead of going through all the. There are many fewer jumpers than there were before, and I have restored, I believe, 99% of the keyboard functionality. Um, the shift lock key goes, works. If we bring up the Arduino console, let's see. I don't know if you can see that, but I can type an A. You typed A. You typed Z, and even shift works too. So this is the left shift. Control's a little flaky. I'm not sure why. Um, Still playing around with it, but all the numeric keys work. All the function keys work, and so this is huge progress. Now, next thing I'm going to do is right now all the signals are going into one Arduino. I'm actually going to split it into two. One is going to control the keyboard, fix this chip, and the other one is going to actually interpret the results of the keyboard to send back to a PC as a USB keyboard. So I have two Pro Macros here, and I already have the code written because it's already running on that. I just have to split it up into two, and the next step is going to be clean these pads a little bit better, get new foil and foam for the back of the keyboard, test it some more, put it all together, and see what happens. So this is huge progress, and I'm really happy with this. I'm resurrecting something that would otherwise be thrown out, or maybe picked for parts, or maybe just got donated to a museum, non-functional. But this is going to work someday soon. That's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.